Hello children, how are you? I am Rupal ma'am. Today we are going to do an activity related to my home. But before that, we will start with a song.
Does your house have a roof? Does your house have walls? Does your house have windows? Does it have a door? Here's the roof and the walls. Here are the windows and here's the door. Does your house have a roof? Does your house have walls? Does your house have windows? Does it have a door?
So kids, did you enjoy the song? Now let's start with the activity. I have two papers. One is for living room and the other is for kitchen. Here I have some cutouts from old newspapers and magazines. So now I am going to segregate these pictures and place them in their proper place. So the first picture I have is of a pressure cooker. Pressure cooker will go here in the kitchen. Next is Amul Shakti. It will also go in the kitchen. Now this is a picture of a living room. So I will place it here in the living room. This is a picture of a television. That will also come in the living room. Then this is an electric kettle. So it will go in the kitchen. Gas stove will come in the kitchen. What is this picture? It is of a living room. So I will place it here. Telephone will also come in the living room. This is a picture of a refrigerator. It will go in the kitchen. This is a lamp. Lamp will go in the living room. Now this is a picture of a tap and a sink. It will go in the kitchen. And this is a picture of a photo frame. It will come in the living room. Children, I hope you all like the activity which we did. So this activity you can do it at home also with your mama, papa, brother or sister. Now there is a small practice worksheet for all of you. This is the practice worksheet of my home. Children, color it with bright and beautiful colors and enjoy it. You can ask your mama to draw it for you on a piece of paper at home and you can color it beautifully.